Camping. My favorite type of holiday is camping. I'm going camping this summer. Sometimes I go camping with my friends. I also like going with my family. This summer, I'm camping in a forest. But first, I've got to make sure I've got everything I need. I am using this rucksack. I must pack the right clothes in it. I'm packing my tent and a sleeping bag too. What else do I need? Well, I'm taking a map with me so I know where I'm going. I'm taking food with me too. But I mustn't cook inside the tent. I must light a campfire away from the trees. I can cook my food on the fire. Yummy! I mustn't drink water from the river. So, I'm bringing bottles of water with me. I mustn't drop litter. I must keep the forest clean. I can't sing songs or make any noise either because the animals that live in the forest don't like it. Now I'm ready for a great camping trip. I'm following all the rules to stay safe. What's your favorite type of holiday? Do you like camping?